it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing 2 VRs for some amazing channels that I hope you guys will go check on out. Before I get started, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. The first items that I'm going to show you are for TAHSHAULSANDTHINGS. She's having a challenge right now and she asked for a pocket letter, guys. So this is the pocket letter that I made for her, and I'm just going to quickly show you. Starting from the top, you can clearly see that this is summer themed, and I went with the pineapple theme for most of the decor on each pocket. So that's how the first pocket looks here. I used the palm tree paper all across the top, added little bits of bling and these pineapples. And then you can see I put summer fun in golden letters there. When you get to the middle, you could see more of the same pattern paper from, here's a little piece of glue from my glue gun. We don't need that. So I used that same pattern paper with the palm tree to make a flag. Again, more pineapples, same thing with the flag, some blings. Here I added some yellow washi. And we got the shaker going on in the middle. And I tried to put in some seashells and just some other summery things, stars, pretty colors, and I covered my stitching from my sewing machine with the paper and added this little sticker here. And then here on the last row, it's more of the same, and I just think it looks super summery and super cute. When we go ahead and flip it on over, in this first pocket here is my note that is going to go to Tiffany. I'm going to put my info here on the back. So that is going to be that first pocket in the back. Then I put some extra pineapples there, some washi, some bling, some string that I used, and then some more stickers on these pockets, and then just some cute little paper clips there. So that is the back, this is the front, and I hope that she enjoys this pocket letter, guys. Moving along, Tiffany also asked for some cards. So here's where I made her a memory dex card, and I think it came out so adorable. It says smile, it's a camera. I added the pom-pom trim, the little bling, the glitter, and I love it. I love how this came out. And then when you flip it on over, it just says handmade by Ilene Mack. And guys, I ordered this stamp at papersource.com, and I realized after I stamped it that it's wrong. So I'm gonna have to try and see what I could do. But I put this piece of washi here to make it kind of work out, guys, because it said handmade by, again, I don't know why it does that or did that. So hopefully we will not have a problem. If that card isn't enough, I made her a teeny tiny little envelope and card, and I double matted this butterfly so that you could write a little something inside, and I'm going to leave it blank so if she wants to use this for someone, she can. And then lastly, I made a rosette out of the leftover scrap paper with the palm trees and decorated it and packaged it on up in the opposite palm tree paper from this collection. Now moving along to It's a Deal. You guys gotta check out her channel. She is doing a memory dex challenge, and she likes pinks, teals, and golds. And so this is how I did her memory dex card. It's like a little suitcase. I put the little ephemera Hello Summer and these girly little things that you would maybe pack in your suitcase, along with this pom-pom trim and a little dragonfly charm. When you flip it over, it's just the same pattern paper that is here and the pink that is over here. And I don't know if you guys could see that the paper is in embossed pink, and I love it. And then I just put this bling across the whole side here where my info will go right in. So I just gotta fill out a little slip with my info, and that is her memory dex card. And then I made 2 little tiny bows, and I think they're super duper cute with the starburst in the center, and I double layered them. and I'm gonna include these in the package as well. So guys, those were my VRs for Tah's Hauls and Things, and it's a deal. They both have challenge/giveaways going on right now, and I want you guys to go check them out. They are super fun and inspiring to watch, and their channels are both very, very different. And I know that you will enjoy them. So I'm gonna link their information down below in the description box if you do not know them already. Most likely a lot of you do. So let me know how you think I did on the projects that I'm shipping out. Please comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.